kind of cold today, and I'm heading out to shoot an engagement party. So let's do this. There's this awesome crack in the sky wherein the black clouds meets the other black clouds and the sunset's going through. So it's a nice photo opportunity. I love to take a photo of it, but I'm driving and I have an appointment, so I can't stop anywhere. I tried to swerve to the right and look for parking, but yeah, it's not a good vantage point, so good for another day. Used to be the best vantage point for that shot, but yeah, it's gone now, so onwards. So I'm in the CBD right now, and yeah, it's kind of crowded. People are having their night outs, but yeah, I need to be there because 10 minutes off my schedule. Though I start around 7, I need to be there by 6:30. I'll be arriving there 6:39. I'll be parking, so it's gonna take a lot of extra time.
For coming tonight. Jen and I have really appreciated you guys for coming along for our special night during our engagement party.
And thank you everyone for coming today. I don't know what to say. Yeah, thank you for coming.
I'm doing videos. Video.